Grade 9, Chapter 1, Number Systems, Operations on Real Numbers. In this video session, let us look at some examples of adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing the irrational numbers. Let us look at the first example. Add 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. Let us add these numbers. 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 3. Next, let us group the numbers which are common. So we find root 2 here and root 2 here. So let us write it together. 2 root 2 plus root 2. And we have root 3 here and root 3 here. So plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. So now let us take root 2 outside. So root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 plus root 2 into 1 is root 2. Plus here root 3 is common, so let us take it out. So root 3 into 5 is 5 root 3 minus root 3 into 3 is 3 root 3. Root 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 plus root 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. So the sum is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Is this clear to you, students? Okay, now let us look at the second example. Multiply 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. So let us multiply these numbers. 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. So let us write these numbers first. 6 into 2, and then let us write these irrational numbers. It is root 5 into root 5. So here 6 twos is 12 into root 5 into root 5, that is 5 5s are 25, so we get root 25. So 12 into root 25 is 5, so 12 into 5 is 60. So the product is 60. Students, is this clear? Okay, now next let us look at the third example. So next we have divide 8 root 15 by 2 root 3. That is 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. So let us write in this way: 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. So here we can write in this form 8. So root 15 can be split into 3 into 5. So 3 5 is 15. Root 15 by 2 root 3. Next, let us write this root 8 into root 3 into root 5 by 2 root 3. So here this root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled. 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8. So we are left with 4 into root 5. So this is the quotient, 4 root 5. Is this clear, students? So these examples make us understand the facts which are true. They are: the sum or difference of a rational number and an irrational number is irrational. The product or quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is irrational. If we add, subtract, multiply or divide two irrational numbers, the result may be rational or irrational. So these are the three facts. 1, 2, 3. These are the three facts which are true on the basis of example problems which we learned just now. So in the next class, let us learn the operation of square roots, cube roots and the nth roots of real numbers. Thank you, students.